Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make buttermilk. This quick, simple and easy way has saved a lot of lives in Nigeria because we hardly find buttermilk here. In short, we do not find it here. So this is the way we get to improvise in making our own buttermilk from scratch. I've had people ask me this question over time, especially people that do not have patience to watch videos. They just want to go straight to the recipe. Whenever they see buttermilk, they start asking, how do I find buttermilk? Now this video is to show you how to make buttermilk from scratch. If this video is helpful, if it sounds like what you like, please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's start the video. To start, I'm just going to show you the measurement for one recipe. You can double or triple it depending on the recipe you have or what you want to make. To start up, I'm going to measure 1 cup of water. This kind of cup, you really do not need another measuring cup to measure it because it's written on it 1 cup. But if you're not so sure of it, you can use your regular measuring cup to actually measure 1 cup into this. As you can see, I have 1 cup where it's actually written, so it's 1 cup exactly. Next up, I'm going to add in my milk. For this, I'll be adding 4 tablespoons of milk to this mixture. I'm just going to mix this thoroughly and ensure that I don't have any form of lump, and I also ensure that nothing is settled underneath the cup. So I'm just going to use my fork to break any form of lump. After I'm done stirring the milk, I'm just going to add my vinegar. For each 1 cup of milk, you would need 1 tablespoon of vinegar, white vinegar. There are different brands in the market and a lot of fake, but please ensure you buy the right one. Here I have Heart white vinegar, so I'm just going to add 1 tablespoon of this into the mixture. That's just pretty much it. Now I'm going to leave my milk and vinegar mixture to sit for about 5 minutes, then I'll get back to it. After 5 minutes, it forms a thick surface at the top. It becomes thicker and less runnier compared to when it was just milk alone. So that's how to make your buttermilk. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to click the subscribe button, like this video, share this video to somebody who needs it. I'll see you in my next one. Do have a lovely day. Bye bye for now.